Any health related advice from your side for the lockdown? Hi Danish, how are you? Health related advice from my side for this lockdown would be just keep your immunity high, have your proper protein intake as much as you can, because I understand that during this situation a lot of food and a lot of you know we are not accessible to some foods right now that were a part of our diet. Like I used to have a lot of good salads and nice meat, fish before the lockdown, but I think that are going to be, even if the government doesn't give us that thing that we are looking for. There are few little things that we can add for our gym to get up and running, like the I've mentioned few guidelines that I feel should be start when the gyms will start. I think the member count, this is what I feel. Whatever the member count is there, we should incorporate at least 10 to, at within 1 hour, at least 20 people should be there at one time. I was just having this conversation with my, the owner of Gymline, and we were just having this conversation. I would want Mr. Mohit Bhalla to send me a request so I can add him. He can explain you more. We had just had a conversation about it. So, Mohit sir, can you send me the request if you're online? Um,
Hello, Ginny. Good to have you on Gymline page today. And thank you very much for calling me on the live page. Please tell me, what do you want to check?
Sir, I would want you to explain the few guidelines that we were just talking about it in the afternoon about what do you think, as per you, what do you think would be the new trend of the gym, that whenever the gyms will start, what are the new guidelines that everyone should follow as a member and as a gym trainer individually?
I feel, a lot of change needs to be adapted in our industry, especially, in terms of the thought process of gym owners and the thought process of our trainers who are really, really, thinking they have gone little deep, into a negative thought. Will this gym open? If opens, if government allows them, will it work? Should we go ahead, or what will happen? So many questions are there with people in mind, and I suggest, industry has to move on. And it is really, a lot of questions you are checking, that how to increase the immunity. I feel people who are fit, I have more immunity, and people who go to gym or who do workout are much better as compared to a normal person in our country. Where I suggest, we need to find out new ways how we can, get things better in the coming time. I know government will take, they will give their own guidelines, which everybody has to follow. Apart from those other guidelines, I think we as gym people, the fitness industry people, the gym owners, the trainers have to plan something new. Some new workout has to be, thought of to make people who should feel safe, and they should come to the gym on a regular